compañeros, buenas noches. Vean, les comparto en estos momentos acá en la autopista norte con 200.
A powerful storm and heavy rain suddenly fell in the late afternoon, causing major flooding in the northern part of Bogota, Colombia, on Wednesday, November 6, 2024. Although the rain lasted for only a short period, it was enough to turn the streets into rivers that submerged everything. The flood had a serious impact on vehicle traffic and created chaos at key mobility points. The water level reached a height that made it difficult for vehicles to move. As a result, cars were stranded helplessly in the middle of the flood on the roads. Several main roads in northern Bogota were already flooded, including the northern highway in the Lagos de Toca sector, Autopista Norte, and Calle 80. At least around 180 vehicles were reported affected by flooding on the northern highway between streets 215 and 230. Traffic jams lasting for hours occurred due to the high water levels on the roads. The Bogotá Fire Department and rescue teams from the Bogotá police were immediately deployed to the scene, where about 10 buses, including school and public service buses, were trapped in the flood. At least 210 children on school routes had to be evacuated.
Yep.